Welcome, friends. Today, we embark on a playful exploration of our own bodies. We're going to conduct a body scan, but with a little ticklish twist. Yes, you heard it right. So sit back, relax, and prepare for a journey from your head to your toes. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. With each exhale, feel your body start to relax. Now, imagine a feather gently tickling your scalp. Feel the sensation. Allow yourself to smile, maybe even laugh. Remember, there's no judgment here, only awareness. Let's move this feather down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Feel it tickle. Make it a game between your mind and the body. Continue this journey, exploring your body part by part, from your neck to your shoulders. Feel the sensations as the imaginary feather travels, tickles, and teases. Down your arms to your fingers. Remember, there's no rush. From your chest to your belly. Take your time, explore, play, laugh. Down your legs all the way to your toes. Now that we've reached the toes, let's travel back up again, slowly, tickling each part on the way up, back to the crown of your head. Take your time, explore, play, laugh. As we wrap up this session, bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the laughter, the joy permeating your entire body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this joy, this lightness with you as you move through your day. Remember, this form of meditation, as ticklish as it may be, is about bringing lightness, joy, and yes, a bit of laughter into our daily lives. Until next time, remember to breathe, be aware, and, most importantly, to smile.